One of the greatest football players of all time, Lionel Messi's visit to Kolkata turned into a big mess, and this too after his visit 14 years later in the City of Joy. And what transpired was a rampage in the Salt Lake Stadium, where spectators were angry that they did not get to see Lionel Messi because there were a lot of people surrounding him at the stadium, which included a lot of VIPs. So various questions being raised on Trinamool Congress leaders including Arup Biswas and Sujit Bose and other VIPs. Also as to why a VIP Shamiana was right in the middle of the football ground, which was supposed to be for the spectators to actually watch Lionel Messi, and other questions as to the mismanagement that transpired. Why were bottles allowed into the stadium? What were the security lapses? That is a big question, because only water pouches were allowed. Why were water bottles sold at the venue? That is also another part that has come to light in this entire scheme of things. And apart from that, there were these angry protesters who were on a rampage. They were breaking chairs, tables, they even set the VIP sofas on fires, apart from vandalizing the tents that was set up for the VIPs. The chairs also were spared. The chairs in the gallery, they were also vandalized. The crowds went on a rampage for a very long time, with the police and the rapid action force having to bring the crowd into control. There was a lathi charge and there was some who were injured, though they were minor injuries. The various questions being raised are: what happened as far as the security is concerned? What were the organizers doing when it came to the security of all these spectators? Many of them had spent between 5,000 to 25,000 for these tickets to see Lionel Messi, but did not even get a glimpse of him. But at the moment, the organizer Shatrughan Datta has been detained by the police, and various questions being raised. And of course, the Trinamool Congress lashing out at him for this mismanagement, because at the time when Lionel Messi was at the stadium and the chaos started growing, he had to be escorted out of the stadium. The lap that he had to take in the stadium to see all the spectators, which they were waiting for, that was cancelled, and that is what angered the fans.